Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids. How to solve this problem number 149 using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a hexagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant edges. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. The left corner is 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line command, select some arbitrary point, take the distance as 297. So you take the cursor to the top side, give the distance as 210, and then you take the cursor to the left side and type 297 and then say close. Then go to zoom extends, zoom 0.6x. Now we go for layer. So click on new layer, type the layer by name XY. Click on new, type the layer by name axis. Click on new, type the layer by name locus. Click on new, type the layer by name front view. Enter. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. Enter. Click on new, type the layer by name front view. Hidden. Enter. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. Hidden. Enter. Now we have to go to layer 0 line weight, change the line weight as 0.05 and the XY line should be of 0.13 and the axis line again should be of 0.05 and the locus line should also have 0.05. Then the front view should have 0.5 and the top view should also have 0.5 and front view hidden should be of 0.3 and the top view hidden should also be having 0.3. Now the line type of top view hidden, click on the continuous, click on load. First we're going to load the different line types by using the library file. So first you go to hidden and say OK and click on load, type the center C and say OK. Click on load, type dash dot and say OK. Now you just click over hidden and say OK. Then the top view hidden will become hidden line type. Then the front view hidden will also have the hidden line type. You just click over that. Then come down to locus. You make that locus line as dash dot. And then you take the axis line as center and say OK. Now the axis line color will going to be of magenta color. And the front view should be having red color and the front view hidden should also be having red color and the top view should have blue color and the top view hidden should also be having blue color. Once you do that, now you just close this, then go to polygon command. So we want the number of sides as 6 and take the edge option and here you just click over this and take the distance as 25. Then once you do that, so here we have this as the final solution. So now to do that, here you just go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then you select this entire thing and then you make this, go to layer, make this as top view now. Again, you just click over line weight display. Then go to line and draw a horizontal line. And then you just come down to this, take the height as 50. And then go to offset, take the distance as 50 now. So you just click over this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to mirror, select these two and you select these two. Then go to nearest point on this, mirror with reference to this. Then go to fillet, between these two, and then between these two now. Then go to erase this line, then go to break this line till here, and you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis and take the distance as 10. Now once you do that, you just click over these two and click over these two and select this one and make that layer as front view. So once you do that, now we have the front view also written now. So now we will go for this, and now you copy the front view, first position of the front view, and rotate it such that one of the slant edges are resting on HP. So first you go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this entity, then go to intersection and take the reference point, take int of this and take this intersection, so rotation like this, then go to move, previous, and you bring it here, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then do the fillet between these two. Similarly, go to line, draw a vertical line, and similarly from here you draw a vertical line, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then we have line, take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this, and then take intersection of this and then intersection of this. Now we go for line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take int of this. Now we have this line, then go to break this line at first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we have we want to break this line also here, break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. Then the edge, which is the edge which is still here, and okay, so here we need to break this here also. Break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. The surface nearer to the observer is visible, so naturally this line is also visible. So you make this as top view. Now which are the edges which are invisible? So these two edges becomes invisible, and this line till here it will becomes invisible. Layer, top view, hidden, and make this line as 15 mm. So here this is the one which you are going to get. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and from here you draw one more line, and from here you draw one more line. Then we have to go to DDIM, then go to modify, then go to make this as precision as up to second decimal point, take the height as 3, align with the dimension line, center becomes above, take this dimension as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and go to lines, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim and take intersection of this and take int of this, and you make this as 44.72. Then go to line, take nearest point on this at the rate 100 less than minus 135. Then go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 50. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then break this line till here and break this line on this side. Then go to erase, then go to fillet between these two, then go to circle, take center point of this and take the radius as 44.72. Then go to break this arc circle till here and this arc on this side. Then go to erase, then go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy this intersection point and take center of this. Then go to rotate, select this entire thing and then go to intersection point and take the reference, take int of this and take end point of this line, and then take intersection point of this on this axis. Once you do that, then you break this line till here. Now you just select this line, go to layer, make that layer as locus layer and mark this as 5 mm. So once you do that, so we have break this line till here, then you switch off this, then go to move, select this and move this appropriately and keep it. Now we need to go for ortho mode on, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Go to intersection point of this and then draw perpendicular to this line. Now we go for the next two lines, which is line, take int of this and draw horizontal line. Which are those two lines? These two, or these 2 points, line int of this and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, and now you take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, go to line and take intersection point of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take int of this and take intersection of this and then intersection of this and then intersection of this and say close. Now we have line, take intersection of this and int of this and take int of this now. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this and take end point of this line. Then go to line, take end point of this and take int of this and take int of this line. So once you have this, so this is the final solution. Then go to break this line first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now once you have this and we have these two lines, so to do that, so you just at the rate, shift at the rate, so here, then you just go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, enter, and you just It is broken here. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. Now you just click over this. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface near to the observer is visible. So this line is visible. Once you get this, go to layer, make that layer as front view, and then you just click over this, and click over this. You make that layer as front view, hidden, and take this dimension as 15. Once you do that, you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as axis, and give it as 10 mm. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now we need to go for changing this XY line. Go to layer, make that layer as XY. Take the line as XY. Then you just go to break this line till here. Now we go for DDIM, go to modify, take the precision as 0 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, select angular, select between these two, dim, then angular, select between this line and this line. So we're going to get 45. Again you just go to angular, select between this line and this line, go to texture, give space, and you copy this here. Then you just go to intersection point of this, INT of this, and take INT of this now. So you're going to get 25. Then again you take INT of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get as 50 mm. Now once you do that, then go to D-texture. So here you mark this as height as 3, rotation angle as 0, you make this as X, you take it as VP, you take it as HP, you take it as Y, then you mark this as small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, O, and then O1 in bracket. Then you come down to O dash, then you come down to A dash, you have B dash, you have C dash, you have D dash, you have E dash in bracket, and you have O1 dash in bracket, and you have F dash in bracket, and here it is O1 dash in bracket. Then we just go to erase this, then go to move, switch off this ortho mode. So you take Y, you take X, you take VP, you take HP, then you mark it as A, then you mark it as B, then you mark it as C, then you mark it as D, you mark it as O, then O1, then F, then E, then A dash, then B dash, then F dash, and you come down to O1 dash, then O dash, then C dash, then E dash, then D dash. So here you click on this O1, select all these points, and you change this to layer, make that layer as top view, then escape, then you click on this A dash, O dash, B dash, F dash, O1 dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash, and go to layer, make that layer as top view now, escape. Sorry, you just go to front view, it should be front view, select this, and you make this layer as front view. Once you do that, then go to copy. So you copy this D dash here, and then you copy this O dash here, then C dash here, then E dash here, then O1 dash here, then B dash here, then F dash here, then A dash here. Then you copy O, that O will come here. Then you copy A, so that A will come here. Then B, that B will come here. You copy C, that C will come here. You copy D, that D will come here. You copy E, that E will come here. You copy F, that F will come here. You copy O1, that O1 will come here now. You just move it. Then go to DD edit. You mark this as O1 and you mark this also as O1. Then you just go to the text. So here you mark this as O dash and this as A dash, this as B dash, this as C dash, and this as D dash, and this as E dash, and this as F dash, and this as O1 dash. Then you just go to zoom window, then go to move this appropriately at all these points. Then go to zoom previous, then you just click on these points and change that to front view now. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. So now we go to M text. So here you keep it as Arial, select symbol, mark this as small letter B, and then go to move, select this and move it here and keep it. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing, and this drawing and this drawing is one and the same. So this is the final solution for a hexagonal pyramid is resting on one of the slant edges, wherein we are finding out the beta inclination, that is the apparent inclination. Thank you.